So today I want to talk about the bridge over the continents. Now, the bridge over the continents is a bridge that links the North American plate from the Eurasian plate, and it's on the Reykjanes Peninsula, very close to Keflavik Airport. So it's a very nice place to stop if you're kind of going to do the tour where you hit the bridge over the continents, Brimkettle, go to the Reykjanes lighthouse, and then you end up in Grindavik, and you can go visit the volcano from there. So, and there's also the Stampar craters that are right near the bridge over the continents. So, the bridge over the continents is a fairly famous landmark. The bridge is actually pulling apart by 3 centimeters per year. So the bridge actually on either side has kind of a rolling suspender so that it doesn't rip apart as the continents pull apart. And it's a place where you can actually see tectonic action and in Iceland. Now, there are other places too. Near Thingvellir, there's a wonderful place where you can see the parts of the two tectonic plates being ripped apart. But here you've got this long field of fissures, and you can see them best from a drone, obviously, because if you're walking there, it just looks like a canyon. And fortunately, they don't pull apart fast enough so that you have to worry about, disappearing into a 300-foot crevice. They fill up with sand. The sand is blown in from the beach. And there's a beach right down right down the cracks from the bridge over the continents. And so whatever movement there is in terms of enlarging the gap between the continents, it gets filled into the sand very, very quickly. Anyway, really nice place to go. If you hit it early morning or late evening, you get some good shadows, and it's right near a number of other places. So it's a good little place to spend maybe an hour or so on your way down to the Reykjanes Peninsula and the other things the area has to offer.